Waste Management Service in Trumann, Arkansas. At Sullivan's Dumpster Rental, we specialize in providing reliable and efficient waste management service in Trumann, Arkansas. Whether you're working on a home renovation or construction project or need to clean up your space, we have the right dumpster. Our process is simple, ensuring your waste management needs are met without hassle. We understand that waste disposal can be overwhelming, but with our easy-to-use service, you can focus on your project while we handle the cleanup. Sullivan's Dumpster Rental offers a range of dumpster sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for every job, big or small. Our team is committed to fast, efficient, and friendly service, ensuring your experience with us is smooth and stress-free. We take pride in offering clear communication so you always know exactly what to expect. There are no hidden fees, just honest pricing for the services you need. When you choose Sullivan's Dumpster Rental, you choose a company dedicated to providing reliable service. Our customers in Trumann trust us to be on time with every delivery and pickup, ensuring that their projects stay on track. Ready to get started? Call us today at 870-316-8896 to speak with a team member and find the right dumpster for your needs. We're here to help make your waste management process as simple and affordable as possible. Let Sullivan's Dumpster Rental make your waste management worries disappear.